lot of gear on me. We're heading to the winter camp. Again, we were just out here. It's calling for 20 centimeters of snow, so we're trying to get in here quick. We don't have the boat today. So we are hiking in. Here's the monument. I'll be hanging it right up here. That's our tree that we always stop at. Today's the 17th of December. We're here on the 13th. When it was 13 degrees out. Now it's minus 4. Get some good firewood there. Our winter camp is extremely hard to find, as you can see. So we usually feed off this tree. Grab a little bit of that. Right on. There's our monument. We're hanging right up here. And then it's anyone's guess after that. This is the last leg of the trail hike in. I have a 28-liter Gregory bag on my back. And a Superstore bag in my hand. Mark rolls with one bag. Probably 20-liter. Next 200 meters, buddy, left. Somewhere down there. I'm trying to get out of here before the major snow. It's just a little, it's 60 meters down yet. Yeah, a mouse? Yeah. Is he alive?
Yeah. See that right in there.
Right on.
A little mouse hole right there, huh?
Yeah.
I just watched him right in that little mole.
There's lunch. So this is where I judge here on the left, as it goes down a bit. So yeah, and do you mind just? I know you have your hands full too. Thanks, buddy. I'll leave.
Go up a little bit. But I think this is it when we go in.
Yeah. Okay, I'll lead the way here. You got. I don't think there's no more turns, actually, buddy. Seriously. It's on the top of this ledge. It's right here. It's a little bit to get in, like, I'm thinking right where you are, yeah, right there.
There's no way to get through here, though.
Alright, there's the lake and our camps.
Sure that's it, though. I'm just trying to look for the big tip tree.
We'll be back.